Good morning. Welcome to Pyramid Advisory YouTube channel. Markets are continuing to be weak. This week is going to be a weak market, I suppose, because one is the F&O closing, another one is the budget jitters probably. And if budget is not good, we'll know the fate on Monday. Okay, Nifty importance levels to watch is 12,197, which is the weekly open price. And today again 12,148 is the open price, trading much below that. So it opened there and went down all the way and then again come up. So showing some kind of minus strength, but we don't know whether it's going to sustain or not. Okay, Nifty 23 advances, 27 declines. Broad market 1031 advances, 562 declines, which is very good. 52 weekly 44 stocks, 52 weekly 27 stocks. Value traded counters, HDFC is there. HDFC has got a threefold increase in net profit, which means what we should infer is, if HDFC, which is a housing finance company, has done this, is it possible for any other player to do that? Now, if you can find out which other player will also perform like that in the housing finance sector, you can make a killing by buying upfront. But how can you watch? You take the list and start watching for volumes in that counters. So generally, any big movement is preceded by volumes. Okay, volume does not lie. Technical levels will lie. It will not work. Technical levels can be a trap. Okay, but volumes very rarely lie. You can trust volumes, not the technical levels sometimes. Then you have Indigo. So something is brewing in Indigo. I do not know what. The main purpose is we are all investors and traders in stocks. So generally, most of the investors buy some stock on hope and it will never move. But here you will know you hear any counter coming in this area in value or volume. That means the trend has changed either for the upside or downside. So once you see the volume or value in this, then you have to study and predict whether it's going up or down. If it's going to be up, you can enter the counter for a trade or investment. That's your call. Okay. So Indigo has got some volumes, value traded counter. McDowell, again huge increase in profits. ICICI and Reliance is like continuously on the negative in values. I don't know whether distribution is happening or not. Again, Oak Pharma is not our stock. Retail investors, Oak Pharma is like a very confusing stock. It does not give a clear picture at any point in time in the last 7 or 8 years. So it's better to don't fish in troubled waters. I think they also have a huge debt, so not worth it. Ibull Housing is there, IndusInd is there, and SBI. Ibull is again, I think its bottom formation has happened. From here, it will be a buy on dip stock. And we have IndusInd Bank. IndusInd Bank is continuously showing in values. So I looked at the chart yesterday. The all-time high is around 2,000. Now it is around 1,200. I think it's a reasonably attractive valuation. I think, but we'll have to wait for Fibonacci formation. So this is what we are going to do. So we have put many videos on Fibonacci. This we are going to do. You and us. We are going to watch it on a daily basis whether any formation is happening. So I'm going to track whether any Fibonacci formation is going to happen in IndusInd Bank and if that is going to be the bottom. Okay. So that is what is the next step. So we are going to track IndusInd Bank very closely to see if any Fibonacci formation is happening. If you want to know what is Fibonacci formation, please go through the video and a lot of video on how to identify Fibonacci formation, and also there's now many stocks we have explained. Okay, so you'll get a fair idea. In volumes, again S-Bank and Tata Motors, ICICI, Ibull and McDowell. So I think Ibull and McDowell, I think we have to say cheers to McDowell because it's gone up drastically. I'm telling cheers in a good sense because this is one stock, whether you're happy or sad, people indulge in that. So I'm not trying to tell you to indulge in that. Please indulge in the stock. Okay, that indulgement is your call, not my call. That's your personal thing. And see, levels to watch 12,087, which was last week low, and last week I was 12,430. It's very far from here, and below this level 12,292, which got broken just like that. So the index can go up to 12,000. Okay, that is the range it shows, and Bank Nifty below 30,860. It closed below that, but today it's trading above that. During F&O close, sometimes technicals may not work, but on paper, Bank Nifty is weak and it is a sell signal. Okay, it can, if it weakens further, it'll go all the way up to 30,000. Nothing more to add today. Have a nice day. Bye.